A puddle. A puddle. It's a puddle. It's a puddle. A big puddle. A big puddle. A small puddle. A small puddle. A boy. A boy. This is a boy. This is a boy. Jump, jump. Jump in a puddle. Jump in a puddle. Jump, jump. A boy is jumping in a puddle. A boy is jumping in a puddle. Jump in a puddle. Jump in a puddle. A clean puddle. A clean puddle. A muddy puddle. A muddy puddle. Wellies. Wellies. Clean wellies. Clean wellies. Muddy wellies. Muddy wellies. A boy is wearing wellies. A boy is wearing wellies. A boy is wearing clean wellies. A boy is wearing clean wellies. A boy is wearing muddy wellies. A boy is wearing muddy wellies. Is a boy wearing clean or muddy wellies? Is a boy wearing clean or muddy wellies? A boy is wearing muddy wellies. A boy is wearing muddy wellies. A boy is jumping in a muddy puddle. A boy is jumping in a muddy puddle. A girl. A girl. This is a girl. This is a girl. The girl is wearing wellies. The girl is wearing wellies. The wellies are clean. The wellies are clean. The girl is wearing clean wellies. The girl is wearing clean wellies. Rain. Rain. It's raining. It's raining. Coat. Coat. A raincoat. A raincoat. The girl is wearing a raincoat. The girl is wearing a raincoat. The raincoat is yellow. The raincoat is yellow. Umbrella. Umbrella. A girl has an umbrella. A girl has an umbrella. What a beautiful umbrella! What a beautiful umbrella! An umbrella is protecting us from the rain. An umbrella is protecting us from the rain. A rain. A rainbow. It's a rainbow. Can you see a rainbow? Can you see a rainbow? I can see a rainbow. I can see a rainbow. A rainbow has a lot of colors. A rainbow has a lot of colors. What colors are they? What colors are they? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. What a beautiful rainbow! What a beautiful rainbow!